Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a stylish headband in just few minutes. This tutorial is beginner friendly. With that said, grab your fabric and let's get started. For this, you need a stretchy fabric, scissors, fabric marker or chalk, and a matching color of thread. Start by laying your fabric on a clean surface. If it is wrinkled, give it a quick press with an iron to make the sewing easier. Measure out your length of 22 inches by width of 8 inches as seen in the video. Fold the fabric in half lengthwise so that the edges meet, making it 22 inches by 4 inches. The right sides should be touching each other, so we are sewing on the wrong side. Use pin or clips to hold the edges together. Take your fabric to the sewing machine, or if you prefer a hand stitching method, you can also achieve this. Sew along the long edge with a quarter of an inch seam allowance. This will help to create a fabric tube. For now, make sure you leave both ends open. Gently turn the fabric tube inside out so the right side is now on the outside through the opening you left. You can use a safety pin or with the help of pencil to achieve this. Using a zigzag stitch, join the edges of the fabric together as seen in this video. Use your scissors to trim out any excess fabric at the edge of the headband. After which you will use an interlocking machine or still your decorative stitches to achieve a clean finish. This will make it clean and neat. With that, we've come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section because I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much once again for your support. See you again in my next video. Bye.